Hi, this is Angie. Now let's go over how to create a simple invoice. You'll use this when a client requests something extra, like adding an extra hour, a rush delivery, or any service not originally included in the contract. It's super simple. Go to the menu, then click on Photography System. Now look for the option that says Send Extra Service Invoice and click on it. The system will ask you for the booking row number. This is the row number from your Event Bookings tab. For example, if your client is on row 2, just enter the number 2. Next, it will ask for the type of service, for example, extra hour, rush delivery. Type all the services separated by commas. Then input the amounts for each one. Again, separated by commas. And finally, write a short description for each service. That's it. Click Create Invoice and the system will send the client a payment link automatically. To test the payment link, go ahead and use the Stripe test card 4242424242. Use any future expiration date and 123 for the CVC. After the payment is completed, go to your Event Bookings tab and look at column Y. If it says yes, it means the invoice was paid successfully. Now let's check out the Profit and Loss tab. Every time someone books an event or pays for an extra service, that data automatically flows into this tab. You'll see your total bookings revenue, your total extra services, and your overall income. The only thing left for you to do is enter your expenses related to that client. Once you do that, the system will show you your true profit per event. It's a great way to track your revenue and expenses and really understand how much you're making per client. That's it for Invoices and the Profit and Loss tab. If you have any questions, just let me know. Let's keep going.